What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this kitchen faucet right here. We will be doing a full install. And right now, we're just going to do a little quick unboxing just to show you what comes in there. I have to say, this is very light, okay? Not heavy at all. Got the name brand right there. Most kitchen faucets do. Knobs right here. This is the front because the brand is on there. You have your water lines right here. Red is for hot. Blue is for cold. You have your weight right here. This weight is for when you do your pull down on your faucet. And then extra filter right here. Another line right here. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys. So I will be using my little tool set right here. We will use this, but if I need anything else, I will probably be my long needle nose. But we will see about that because I have to go all the way up there, okay? But I'll reach in there and get in there somehow. But other than that, I may be able to use these pliers. We will be using the adjustable wrench. Let's go ahead. And the first thing we're going to do is unscrew the nuts right here. And make sure you take the washer down with you. And then you have this platform right here. We're going to keep the platform on. You have the sun here. And then you have winter here. All right. So you have cold and then you have hot. We have this little water line right here, and we are going to install this. Let's go ahead and put it in. I'll put this line in. Oh yeah, read that like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable, but we got to get the job done. A rubber washer, and then we're going to put our nut on. Just give it a nice spin. All right, and we are in. Now we got to put the other one on. I got the washer on the back, you guys. So make sure you put your washers on. Now I got my pliers all the way open and good. And it's nice and tight. Now we can install our water lines. On our right is cold. Always make sure your washer is in. All right, we are in. Give it some turns. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Make sure your washers and your O-rings are on there. Just in case they forgot to put it on during manufacturing. And we need our screwdriver. We gotta loosen this weight. Now loosen the other side. It has weight here on here. And then we'll put our screws back on. And for under the sink, the last thing we need to do is hook up the water line here. And it clips right onto the line. All right, so make sure all your O-rings are on. All right, heard a click. On here, there's a little dot right here. Push it a little bit harder and it snaps. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and turn it on. When you want to switch, just make sure you're attached right there.
Oh, okay. So just basically just turn it.
Yeah.
Like a knob. Okay.
But when you're out like this,
yeah,
it stays in the same
okay.
thing. You got to make sure you like that, then
okay.
come out. We are going to install the soap dispenser. Now, I don't have liquid soap right now, but I'm just going to show y'all how to do the install. So we're going to take the nut off. This has a washer right here already. And this washer right here goes underneath. So same way you hooked up the faucet will be the same way you hook your soap dispenser up. Stick the straw in. Put it right in there. And then we'll put this and this underneath, and that will be it. Only thing I can say is I need to move the weight up just a little bit more. I have the weight. It seems like the weight is not janking it back fast enough. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out for y'all and show y'all. You see, I wanted to, when you let go, I wanted to go back like that. But when you let go, it goes back like that. I wanted to go back like that. Okay. So in order to do that, you have to lift your weight up to make your head right here more heavier. Okay. If you have your weight further down, your head will be lighter. But that's on me. That's an operator thing. Okay, so we're going to turn the water on. This is my hot water, cold water. Water is coming out very nice. Loving this little waterfall right here. Now, if you want the other side, simply just turn it. Okay, just like that. You can hit this button right here, make it misty, turn it. You hit this button, nothing happens. Okay, turn it like that, hit this button, and you put a mist out. And that's it, you guys. The water flow comes out very nice. All right. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.